Yo, 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 it's MC Grammar coming back at you for the Odyssey this time. Here we go. So we are looking for the most important events in the chapters. Remember, it is not what is interesting. There's lots of interesting things, but it's what's important, right? So if we look here for chapter 1, you should already have that filled out because we did it in class together and it was amazing. All right, so make sure you have that. Don't forget to discuss your discussion question with your group. We also did that in class. Cool. So moving on. Here, we are going to look at the answers. Wait, why are they blacked out? What's happening? Maybe I should listen closely to what MC Grammar has to say. Great. So, chapter 2. First event that I had written down for chapter 2 is some ladies find Odysseus in his tree shelter and are both terrified and intrigued by him. So they don't know what is going on, but they know here's a stranger. What do we do with him? So for yours, it could be worded differently, guys, but make sure that you have something along the lines of he's discovered, right? That's important to know, okay? Number 2, Nausicaa and her lady friends clothe and feed Odysseus. So we know that Nausicaa now is the name of that character that comes into play. We're going to learn a little bit more about her. Okay, so make sure that you understand that. Doesn't have to be the same. Similar, though. And finally, Nausicaa is a princess and offers to take Odysseus to her palace to care and protect him, right? So to care for him and protect him, that's important to know because you will see her again come into play a little bit later, but it's one more step in his journey, okay? So that is chapter 2, all right? Now over here, I don't have to do this yet because I'm not done reading, all right? Chapter 3, let's start with 2 main events on the top here at chapter 3. The people of Nausicaa's kingdom kindly welcome Odysseus, and Odysseus throws a discus, and everyone is amazed at how strong he is. So check yours right now. Look at your actual packet. Do you have these things? Are you still listening to what I'm saying? You're amazing. Great. So make sure you have those 2 things. The discus is important because it shows his strength. It shows his power. People are like, who dis? Odysseus. All right. And then finally, to end chapter 3, we learn that Demodocus starts singing and Odysseus is moved. So the song is like, I remember my life, my childhood. He asked Demodocus to sing about the Trojan War and the wooden horse. So Odysseus is still undercover. Nobody knows who he is, but this is where he gets to kind of tell the story of what happens in the Trojan War. So check yours, make sure you know something similar to those. Cool. Do I have to do this yet? Okay, not yet. Okay, cool. So we're on chapter 4 at this point. Right here, Demodocus sings about the Trojan horse. We know all about that because Odysseus was there in the Trojan War. Next one. Odysseus reveals to everyone who he really is and that he fought in the Trojan War 10 years earlier. So he does decide here to reveal his identity. That's a tricky move, right? Because that could go either way for him. These are strangers, okay? And then the last thing that we need to know for chapter 4 is Odysseus begins to tell everyone the story of his 10-year journey home from the Ithacan War, the war to Ithaca. So guys, this is where we pause. Stop right now. Hopefully you're still listening. At this point, we need to know that Odysseus is about to flash back, okay? So he is going to tell us things that happened before we got to this point in the story. We're flashing back, we're going back in time. Cool. Let's take a look right here. Explore and react. So you should have looked at that map. That is awesome. It shows all of his travels everywhere he went, right? And then you're answering these questions. So you should have proof right here on your packet that you answered these questions. It should be signed off by an adult in the room, okay? So make sure you have answered those and recorded what you talked about with your group or partner. And then down here, what qualities will it take for Odysseus to persevere? Same thing. You should have some sort of answer here. Okay? So guys, that is it for chapters 2 through 4 of the Odyssey. Love this book. Love this story. Cannot wait to see how long it takes him to get home.